Hello my dear students, this is Nikhil from CareerMudhra, Bangalore. In this video, we are going to discuss about the top 5 colleges and their first round KCET cutoff. This video is going to be very important for the students who have chosen choice 2 and choice 3 in the first round. So now let's talk about the first college, which is RV College of Engineering. RV College of Engineering, the cutoff is 234. The highest placement is of 92 lakhs and the average placement is of 15 lakhs. Moving on, we have PES University. Their cutoff is of 934. The highest package offered by PES was of 65 lakhs and the average package was of 12 lakhs. Moving on to the third college, which is MS Ramaiah Institute of Technology. Their cutoff is of 1100. The highest package offered by MSRIT is of 50 lakhs and the average package is of 7.66 lakhs. Moving on to the fourth college, which is BMS College of Engineering. Their cutoff is of 2246. The highest package allotted by BMS CE is of 51.5 lakhs and the average package is of 11.44 lakhs. Moving on to the fifth college, which is Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering. The cutoff for CSE goes as high as 4080. The highest package allotted by the college is of 35 lakhs and the average placement is of 5.64 lakhs. Also, a very important update in today's second headline news, it was mentioned that 93% of the engineering seats have been allotted in the first round of KCET. So if you're looking for any such important updates, kindly to subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.